Introduction to limits. Does limit of function exist? Limits come in all different shape and size. Some functions have limits at all points, while other contain holes. Some functions may not have a limit at all. Basic limit structure. Limit of a function f of x approaches to c. The above limit is read as the limit of a function f of x as x approaches to c. Basically, this means that as x approaches some constant f of x will eventually become something. Examples. Evaluate the following limits until whether the limit exists. Limit of function 2x plus 3 as x approaches to 1. 2 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. Limit exists. Limit of a function 2x plus 3x approaches to 0. 2 times 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Limits exist. Limit of a function 2x plus 3x approaches to negative 3 halves is equal to 2 times negative 3 halves plus 3 is equal to 0. Limit exists. When does the limit of a function not exist? Limit of a function 2x plus 3 over x plus 3 as x approaches to 3 is equal to negative 3 over 0. Limit does not exist. Properties of limits. Constant, scalar multiple, sum or difference, product, quotient, and power. So the constant, limit b is equal to b. Okay. Limit of b, x approaches to c is equal to b. Limit of a function b f of x as x approaches to c is equal to bl. Limit of a function f of x is not equal to g of x as x approaches to c is equal to l is not equal to k. Limit of a function f of x, g of x as x approaches to c is equal to lk. Limit of a function f of x over g of x as x approaches to c is equal to L over k. K is not equal to 0. Limit of a function f of x raised to n as x approaches to c is equal to L raised to n. Techniques for evaluating limits. Dividing and technique. Dividing out technique. Limit of a function x minus 6 over x raised to 2 minus 36 as x approaches to 6. 6 times negative 6 is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0 over 0 and divide. So, let's factor. Limit of x minus 6 over x minus 6 times x plus 6 as x approaches to 6. So, 1 over x plus 6, 1 over 6 plus 6 is equal to 1 over 12. And now, it's your time to practice.